have this tablet. And some accessories are there. This is the pen, and this is the micro USB cable. Let's look at this. So this is a quick guide. The pen tablet, the micro USB cable, and we have some extra nibs. And this is the nib ejector, so we can press this and put out the nib. And this is a sticker, so you can put this sticker on the tablet and then you can hold the pen inside it. So let's look at the pen first. So this is slightly thicker, but it has a rubbery grip, so which feels good in the hands. And this does not need charging, so that's a good thing. And now let's look at the tablet itself. So it's packed. So this is the tablet. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel very heavy. And its dimension is supposed to be, the working area is supposed to be 6 cross 6 inches wide and 3.75 inches high. And we have 6 express buttons also, so you can configure it for different functionalities. So overall this looks very premium. So I will use this tablet for some time and then give some review about this product. So this was just the unboxing part. Stay tuned for the review. Thank you.